Hi, my name is 𝗟𝗏𝗂𝘂𝗧𝗏. I work for Engen South Africa, which is under Vivo Energy. I head up digital and innovation, as well as loyalty programs. I'm so proud today to be part of the program of digital innovation, as we know that digital transformation has been a big gap in the South Africa, especially in the rural areas. What the RoboRumble competition demonstrated today is mainly support, for our younger generations in terms of the digital innovations as well as job creations. So what we have seen today or witnessed today was very, very significant, given the fact that most of the people that came together here are from what I call, unprivileged communities. I'm so proud of them because they have demonstrated, the understanding of the problem statement and looked at solutions, and not just, solution in general, but real life problems within the mining, the manufacturing, as well as the petroleum industry. So what we've seen today or witnessed today, I think for myself, it's something that reminds me that whenever there's a will, there's a way. And therefore, today we have witnessed a great collaborations among teams, and they made it successful. Although we know some students didn't make it to the top 3, but I think there's been lots of effort that went towards today. I think what stood out for me most importantly, is the confidence level that the students have brought in terms of solutions that they have developed, as well as making sure that they present a real business case where they showcase costs that they've incurred in developing some of the robots, as well as potential to take this into markets and make some sort of profit in that space. So overall, I thank all the teams that have been involved, and I'm honored to be part of these events today, and look forward to do more. What I will lastly say is that all the stakeholders that look to fund or do business within the innovation space come together and support the team across the world. Thank you.